Little storyteller.
Danny was a little dolphin with smooth gray skin. He loved to swim fast, fast, fast. The ocean was big and blue, and Danny zoomed through the water all day. The sun made the water sparkle like tiny diamonds. One sunny morning, Danny saw big waves rolling towards the shore. They looked like giant, bubbly hills of water. Danny had never jumped over a wave before. He usually just swam under them. A friendly sea turtle with a patterned green shell floated nearby. "Hello, Danny," she called. "Why don't you try jumping over the waves? It's lots of fun." Danny looked at the big waves again. He took a deep breath and swam towards one. Just as the waves started to curl, Danny leaped into the air. Splash! He landed on the other side, with a happy flip of his tail. It felt so good to jump. The air tickled his skin, and he could see so far when he was up high. Danny jumped over another wave, and then another. He laughed bubbly dolphin laughs. Soon other sea creatures came to watch Danny. Little fish with bright stripes, a silly octopus with wiggly arms, and even a wise old whale with barnacles on his back, smiled as Danny played. Danny saw the happy faces and felt a warm glow inside. Playing was so much fun, and it made everyone else happy too. He did a big twirling jump, and all the sea creatures cheered. From that day on, Danny loved to play. He learned that being playful not only made him happy, but also brought joy to all his friends in the big blue ocean. Did you know that dolphins are very smart and playful animals? They often leap and play together in groups.
Please subscribe. Thank you.